Hello everyone, my name is Ayoub and I am an additive manufacturing engineer from iMakr. And in this video we are standing here at Apium booth and we have with us Uwe.
Yeah, warm welcome from our side. My name is Uwe Popp. I'm one of the founders of Apium and I'm the managing director.
Thank you very much for having us here today at your stand in Formnext. So can you walk us through the newest technology that you are bringing to us here today?
Yeah, absolutely. This is the Apium P400. It is just released on this Formnext. It's our newest product and all the experience that we have collected throughout the years we have put together in this new machine. Yeah, what makes it special is we have an IDEX system, meaning we have two independent print heads, but both of them have our patented technology on it.
Ah, I see.
What makes it special is the infrared heater.
Infrared heater.
Yeah, by that we can more localize, bring in energy, which is necessary to control the solidification process of high-performance polymers.
Amazing, makes sense.
But also works for compounds and technical polymers. Yeah, and there's a lot of engineering inside.
For sure, definitely, yeah. So following the P220, we have P400 today.
Exactly. So we increased our portfolio.
Exactly.
Yeah, the P220 is now like an entry model. Yeah, it's something we started as well. Yeah, it's quite affordable, and it also is capable of printing peak. But now we have more possibilities with the new machine since it's designed as a platform.
Amazing, great.
Let's start from bottom to top. We have an integrated dryer, and the speciality about it is it's also possible to dry very hygroscopic materials. PPSU is very challenging, but this a dryer can do it. We also have a slider here with all the tools that you would need in order to...
That's impressive.
Yeah, process...
everything.
Yeah.
From the gloves to the clippers, to the nozzles, to the glues, to everything. Yeah,
exactly.
Amazing. So as you mentioned actually earlier, the zone heater mechanism, can you elaborate more? Why is it beneficial?
The zone heater serves a special purpose, and that is very important when it comes to solidifying polymers. It has two tasks it fulfills. One thing is for the printing itself, so it remelts the previous layer to have a really good interlocking mechanisms of the molecule. But on the other side, it also slows down the solidification process, giving enough time and energy for the polymers to come to their most stable state when they are solid.
For sure, definitely. Yeah, it makes sense now actually. So this was not in the P220. It's new to the P.
It was
there.
But this is the next generation.
System,
which has more power. We also need for the bigger volume.
For sure.
And so we can be more adaptive on that.
Definitely.
Yeah. And the adaptivity is also a critical point in this case. So if you think of a big volume and something small but with a large surface area. Then you always can imagine something with a lot of surface area cools down way faster, but something that can store the heat cools down way slower.
Yes.
So if you would apply a uniform temperature everywhere, then you would not make it right for these two different geometries.
Makes sense.
And by having this zone heating device and being adaptive, and we can put in the energy almost instantaneously, we can respect this fact much better and can come to a much more stable result. Vice versa, if we think we add too much energy and the surface or the outer parameters will smear away, we can also guarantee a better surface quality in the end.
Surface quality, for sure, definitely makes sense. I now can see why it is beneficial, and this new generation of the zone heating mechanism will be beneficial for the clients and the users of Apium printers.
Absolutely.
For sure. Throughout the interview and our talk before that, you mentioned the next level of the additive manufacturing.
Yeah.
So can you tell us more about it? What's that exactly?
Yeah, what is the next level of additive manufacturing? It's a bold statement.
Exactly,
I know. But it comes with the design of the machine as being a platform. There is, stay tuned, more to come.
sure.
But this is what it is right now. We have 2 print heads, and they are very easy to exchange. So you see, there's just one plug you can take out. Then we have 2 hoses for water cooling and 1 screw that you need to open. So within 1.5 minutes, you can exchange the print head, and gives it a platform to insert any kind of tool you want it to be. We have a lot of universities and a lot of clever clients, and they always ask, oh, we would like to do this and we would like to do that, and we cannot fulfill all the wishes. So we thought about how about giving it a new level, something they can work on themselves. And that's what is bringing this new level. We also have a lot of ideas, and we are
So
planning to
tuned,
release more and more. Yeah, stay tuned. There's a lot coming, we are really excited. I mean,
Amazing.
now this is there, and then
sure.
more and more will come.
The best is yet to come, yeah?
The best is yet to
come.
come.
For sure, yeah. So all what it takes is 1.5 minutes.
1.5 minutes, and then you can exchange the
That's
print
it.
head. And I mean, I'm always amazed when I'm at the fair. It's really cool. You look around, you see new technologies, and you're like, "Oh man, I wish I could have it in my printer as well." But our customers are really clever, and therefore we have the trust and the hopes that they just be as inventive as they are, and use it and put in whatever they like to have.
For sure. So basically, you based this next level of the additive manufacturing based on the client's needs. So they needed this, so you wanted to fulfill their needs, all of them. So this is why the next level of additive manufacturing was introduced here.
Exactly.
Amazing. That's great. Yeah. So one last question, please.
Yeah.
Can you just explain to us why is Apium unique in the market? What makes it unique? What's unique about you as a company?
I think it's our drive, because we've always been pioneers. We were the first ones to introduce PEEK as a filament in the market. And once we did, we found out nobody can process it. So we were the first ones to introduce a 3D printer in the market that can process it.
Makes perfect sense.
Last year, we were also very proud because our customers were able to treat patients with 3D printed patient-specific implants printed on our machines.
On your machines?
On our machines. So I think in more than 30 countries this now happens, and we made it first possible and bring down costs, bring down complications for medical treatment. So we are always pushing the frontier, and the team is working great together. I love coming to work every morning, and I think this also reflects a bit on our booth. That's what's making us special.
For sure, definitely. You also mentioned the medical applications. What other applications can you use with your printer? Like any other fields? Educational?
Education is a big thing. I mean, also now that we have the versatility, that's also something university always want to have and want to lay hands on it. There's biological industry, chemical industry,
variety
machining,
of applications,
fixtures, jigs, electronics. I mean, the high-performance thermoplastics are also insulating materials, non-reactive materials. We also have PVDF that is used for etching silicon. You name it. Everything can be processed.
Amazing. So you can fit everywhere, literally.
Exactly, and that's what makes it so hard. And that's why we wanted to make it a platform. So our customers, they can then identify, okay, this is why I need it.
Exactly, I can see that in the next level of additive manufacturing, the heating mechanism. It's just amazing. It's really good. So as concerning the materials that you can use to print with this printer, the P400, can you give us the range? Which type of materials are compatible with it?
I mean, the high end is always something that we have taken care of, and also we have now fans inside, so we can go down to PLA. Everything is possible. So
starting from PLA, you can either print PEEK, like any type of materials is compatible here.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing. That's great. That's great. Again, thank you very much for having us here with you in Formnext. It was a great pleasure to have this interview with you.
Yeah, same for me. Thank you so much for coming by.
Thank you very much.